Alright, bro. So basically, the water jug is always looking crazy funky. Oh, look who came here. Oh, look at Baxter. Little Baxter. That's his girl right there. This little motherfucker I got for free. I don't know. We guys gonna name him. Yeah, I can name him. But I made this anyway. I just took like a piece of metal and I just bent it and yeah, I mulher milk. It's my cage and I got the other cage over there. She got the other thing over there. The trampoline. I mean the see that shit? It's from the ringing in my ear. And then yeah, you just put it like this. You just bend it in place, and they could take baths in here, so and they don't splash the water out, and they won't drown. You know, look at this shit. Nice little baths, very nice. Boom, put it in there. They got water for a nice couple days. Cool.